we thought we would make a scarecrow outfit. It's got lots of lovely bits to it and goes perfect with a pair of dungarees. Now if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it. You will need an assortment of felt, an old bonnet, colourful fabric scraps, green pipe cleaners, embroidery thread, about 5 or 6 hair grips, yellow pom-poms, raffia straw ribbon and a glue gun. Start by cutting felt flowers for the hat. Make a simple paper template and cut around it to make 6 flowers. Layer the flowers up in pairs and glue together. Add a yellow pom-pom to the top of each one. Cut some pipe cleaners into smaller pieces and glue them onto the back of the flowers. Glue the flowers onto the hat as well as some extra pipe cleaners for stalks. Cut leaves from a piece of green felt, then glue these onto the flowers and around the rim of the hat. If you like, you can trim a little of the hat away for a tatty look. Pull the hat where trimmed to loosen the straw. Cut a little hole in the top of the hat too. Glue pieces of straw raffia into the hole and amongst the flowers on the hat. We're making little clips that you can pin onto the outfit as well as on the hat and in the hair. All you need to do is draw and cut templates from card and then cut the shapes from felt. For a toadstool, cut the base from white felt, then cut around the top from red felt. Glue this in place, then cut little white circles and glue these on top. For a ladybird, cut a black and red circle, cut away a third of the red circle and then cut this in half to make wings. Glue in place and add black spots with a pen. Add a blob of glue to the back of each felt shape and attach the hair grip like this. Make patches for your clothes from scraps of fabric. Cut the fabric to about 10 centimetres, then to give a rough edge, snip into the fabric and pull to rip it. Pin the patches randomly onto your outfit, then sew loosely in place with embroidery thread. This way you'll be able to easily remove the patches when you're finished. Cut little strips of yellow and cream felt and sew these and some more raffia scraps loosely into the sleeves and neck hole of your outfit. Finally, if your child has long hair, you can tie some long strips of raffia onto hair ties. Finish with some scarecrow makeup like long eyelashes and a stitched smile. Tie the straw hairbands onto the top of the hair in bunches and braid it into the hair. Trim the excess at the bottom. Pin the little felt hair grips onto the outfits and onto the hair to finish. So there we have it, how to make a scarecrow costume. Thanks for watching.